Hello everyone. Today let's talk about something we use every day but often take for granted: water. It flows so easily from our taps, yet it's one of the most precious resources on Earth. Without it, life as we know it would not exist. From the water we drink, to the crops we grow, to the electricity generated in power plants, water touches every part of our lives. That's why understanding its importance and learning to conserve it is essential for all of us. Water is vital for every living being. Humans need it for drinking, cooking, cleaning, farming, and industry. Animals and plants depend on it to survive and grow. In fact, about 70% of the human body is water. Despite Earth being covered mostly by water, only about 3% is fresh water, and much of that is locked in glaciers or underground, leaving only a small fraction accessible for daily use. Fresh water is not infinite, and with a growing population and climate changes, our demand is increasing rapidly. Understanding how critical water is to life helps us appreciate why saving it is so important. Even though water seems abundant, billions of people around the world do not have access to clean drinking water. Cities struggle with rising demand, and rural areas often face dried-up rivers and wells. Climate change worsens the problem, bringing droughts in some regions and floods in others. In many places, people must walk long distances to fetch water, and children sometimes miss school to help their families collect it. If we don't act now, water scarcity could affect not just human health, but food production, energy supply, and entire economies. Much of the water we use daily is wasted without even realizing it. Simple things like leaving taps running while brushing teeth, taking long showers, or overwatering gardens may seem small, but they add up to hundreds of liters wasted each day. Agriculture, which consumes the largest portion of freshwater globally, often uses inefficient irrigation methods, letting water seep away before it reaches plants. Industries sometimes use water excessively or fail to recycle it. Every liter wasted is a liter that could help someone who desperately needs clean water. The good news is that saving water is simple, and everyone can contribute. At home, we can fix leaking taps, take shorter showers, and turn off taps when brushing or washing dishes. Rainwater harvesting can collect water for gardens, cleaning, or even drinking after proper treatment. Farmers can adopt drip irrigation or other water-efficient techniques to reduce waste. Industries can recycle water within their processes. Communities can organize awareness campaigns, workshops, and school programs to educate everyone about water conservation. Even small actions, when practiced by millions, can make a huge difference. Saving water today means securing a better future. With clean, accessible water, people can lead healthier lives, crops can grow efficiently, and cities can thrive sustainably. Protecting water resources also helps preserve ecosystems, rivers, lakes, and wetlands that support countless species. Emerging technologies like smart water meters and AI-controlled irrigation can further optimize usage. But technology alone isn't enough. Human awareness and action are the keys. Each of us has the power to create meaningful change by valuing water in our daily lives. So, the next time you turn on a tap, remember how precious each drop is. Saving water doesn't require big sacrifices, just mindful habits and small changes every day. Fix leaks, reduce wastage, recycle water when possible, and spread awareness. Together, we can ensure that future generations have enough water to live, grow, and thrive. Remember, water is not just a resource, it's life itself. Let's promise to use it wisely and spread the message: save water, save life. Thank you for watching.